my first wig again. I'm so excited for today's wig. I already took a peek, so I know what's in there. But yeah, so it's the same packaging as last time. Nicely boxed. I open it and I see the wig here. I get to that in a few. Let's see what else we got in the package. So I got this wig knot healer, no bleaching. What? And then I got a flyaway tamer. Always happy to get these. I got this pouch. Let's see what's in it. Okay, I got the clips that I love getting so much. And I got a rat tail comb. And I got this pouch. You can literally use this for any little thing that you have to store. So I always like getting these little stuff. You guys know this. So for today's wig, I'm working, remember, you know, it's the streak series. So this is like dark brown here, and it has this blonde streaks, 2 blonde streaks in the front. Yes, this here is also pre-plucked. This is silky. It's super silky actually. This is super silky. It is a long bob. It's 14 inches long. It's a medium cap size. It is it's a blonde color in the front, and it's like dark brown. It is a 13x6 parting, so it's actually a T-part. Okay, it does give you lace front vibe because they do leave space in the front here, and then it has a nice parting, so it's actually a T-part. And these are the more upgraded kind of T-part lace front wigs. So yeah, that's what it is. Oh, the cap construction. This is, oh, and actually get extra elastic bands for the inside here. 3 combs come on the inside. There's adjustable strap in the back. And that's how it looks. I'm literally so excited to start installing this right now. So let's go ahead and jump on into this, guys.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. Swola, 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 swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah.
This is how it looks. Loving the vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and run my flat iron through this. I'm gonna like make the parting a little straighter.
My top in pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla. I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. See my trunk in pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop top in pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla.
Okay guys, so this was so easy to straighten due to how silky the hair is. Like, it's super silky. It is very luscious, and the blunt cut, this is a winner bob, an absolute winner bob. It is gorgeous. My first wig, you did it again. The last wig was bomb. This is even more like beautiful. I love the streak vibes. Yes, let me show you guys the back. That is beautiful. I love it. I love it. This is what I'm gonna be rocking for the weekend. Plus, it's so hot. It's so hot here in Jamaica, so the street vibe just add that touch, you know. So I love that about this wig. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in the description box, so if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and get it for yourself, because the direct link will be there as well. It is a vibe. Let me know what you guys think about it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.
Swolla, 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 swolla.